So this might have been the most craziest idea I've had with the 350Z so far. Is this the actual Wailua color? What is it called? Voodoo blue? Yep. Bruh, this guy wants me to sign his car. Yes, sir. Well, we're back, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. We're taking the GTR out today. We got the iced coffee there. We got the brand new definitive jet tag over here with the motto of stay driven. We'll get into all of that later, but welcome back to the vlog, guys. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't done so already, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content right here in Hawaii. This channel is for you. Man, guys, it is so freaking hot today. Like, I'm starting the video, usually I start the video with the windows down just to get the sound of the GTR, but it's way hot today, so I got the windows up. I know gas, literally, I don't think I vlogged this, or actually, did I vlog it? No, I didn't. This past Monday, gas hit $6, $6.07, I think. I'll put a video somewhere over here. I think I took video of it, but gas is over $6, and here we are driving in a gas guzzling GTR. And as we make our way to the 350Z, right before I left, I watched one of Stratman's videos. Apparently he blew up his wide body GTR, and then he later on revealed that it was his bell housing that ended up just grenading itself. So now driving a GTR, and I've been saying this for the past, I don't know, 6 months now. Granted, my car is only pushing out probably like a third, maybe a half of what Stratman is putting out for his GTR, but now it's kind of getting me worried, like wanting to punch this car, you know, just give it some boost, and then eventually we might shatter the bell housing, and we don't want that to happen. So maybe in the next 2 weeks we're gonna have to put in order for the new GTR bell housing. And so we meet again, 350Z. Hopefully you don't give us any more problems today. It's gonna be small work we're gonna be doing on the Z. We're still gonna have to work on the top cap, and we're also gonna have to be doing some stuff on the pillars as well as the hood. But before we get into that, actually, sorry, this is my workout stuff, guys. But for those of you guys that don't know, I do have a small street brand. The door is killing me right now. Anyways, I do have a small street brand that I'm starting up, so it's called Definitive, and of course you guys already know from the jet tag, the motto is gonna be stay driven. So I just got some new stuff in. This is one of the shirts. It's very simple, the Definitive logo over here, and then if I can just catch it correctly, you can see I have it on my back as well. But I am, well, actually now I gotta stop. Let's just turn this way. So I have started to get all of my inventory in. I've showed you guys in a few videos where we got the jet tags, and we got the decals, and then we got the black windbreakers. Now we have a full size run of a bunch of different shirts and 2 different hoodies. So I am working, you know, I'm trying to figure out everything. You know, I still have to balance doing the YouTube channel, doing the Definitive brand, and also I have to go to work at the same time. So if you guys want to go ahead and order stuff early before the actual website goes live, you guys can go ahead and DM me or Definitive on Instagram. So it's Lance_GTC, or Definitive on Instagram, spelled DEFY as in defy, NITIVE on Instagram if you guys want to order stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead, let's get to work on this thing because we got a lot of more stuff to do today. So to get started, shout out to our friend Joey and Elizabeth. They gave me like a small stack of these little magic eraser things. So when we went to go visit them last week, they're actually working on Elizabeth's wide body Corvette, and they actually had a wrap on it previous, so which is perfect because we just took out the wrap from the Z as well. So they had some gunk and goo and whatever like adhesive that was stuck to the car that came off from the wrap. But Joey went ahead and showed me like they literally just use this and spray like water or soapy water, and it comes right off. And so we're gonna go ahead and test it for the Z, because if you guys can tell, like you can kind of already see that the dust is accumulating on the adhesive, and look, I can like smear it all over the place. So yeah, let's see if this thing works, because if this thing works, man, I'm gonna go and order like a whole bunch of these. All right, let's see if we can do this with one hand. Oh no, I dropped it on the floor. Let's give it a little wipe. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead. We got a little cleaning microfiber towel. We got our little magic eraser, and then we got our little spray. And let's just spray a little area. Let's see if this bad boy works. this thing, I've used it for 5 minutes. And the way that this thing deteriorates because it binds to the adhesive, like you know it's gonna come right off. I wish I got more of these now. So I completely underestimated how much of a magic eraser I would need. I should have brought more, but this is just about half already used and it's already all brittled out. But just to show the progress so far, we went ahead and did this half of the roof. You can already see like that film. I don't know if you guys can tell with the lighting, but you can see like that weird, like hazy looking kind of texture or that look to it. That's actually the adhesive that's left over from the wrap from the top cap, and you can already see over here it's all nice and black. Now the hard thing about it too is that when we were trying to find the spots that we needed to wipe, we were literally just going by feel, because when this gets wet on the satin black, it's really hard to tell when it's wet. So we're just going by feel. That's why I kept drying it every time I would wipe a certain section. But that just goes to show how well this thing works. Literally guys, I'm just using spray, like watered down detailed spray, and just this magic eraser, and this thing works within seconds. Not even Goo Gone worked. What else did I even try using? Like some off-brand like degreaser, like none of that stuff worked, but just using this thing alone, so good. And then even in the front, now we wouldn't have that much spots, but it was only right here in the body lines. Some of the carbon wrap over here in the body line kind of lifted, so I guess, you know, some parts got baked on and some parts didn't. But here in the body lines and also on this side as well, there was a little bit of gunk, but now there's nothing there, guys. So this might have been the most craziest idea I've had with the 350Z so far, is using something that I have absolutely no idea what to do with. But we started with what was once a magic eraser and it's now in smithereens. I went ahead and did as much as I can to the very point of where my fingertips got tired, and I even scraped it and burned it on the metal. But we're gonna need a little bit more just to finish a little bit over there and over here on the pillars as well. But thankfully that's done. Now the next thing we gotta do is get that car wash, because stick around for the video guys, because we're not done yet. We are gonna go and try to do a little bit of car spotting. Now unfortunately I gotta go to work today, but there is a like a little show, like a little meetup hosted by the guys that organize Our Cars and Coffee here in Hawaii. So it's gonna be actually like 5-10 minutes down the road from us. So we're gonna go check out some cool cars and then we're gonna head to work, but also for other brand purposes as well, just, you know, just drop in some stuff for you guys. But literally the shirts that we've printed for these, like I absolutely love these shirts because it's like, it feels really good quality, and the fact that it's breathable. And I'm literally working in my garage where there's zero, like literally zero wind at all, and it's super hot, and I'm still like nice and cool. The shirt is still breathable, but at the same time it has a good amount of weight to it, so the quality feels really good. And the fact that usually when I work in the garage, I'm usually like shirtless. So now that she's nice and clean, let's go check out some cool cars, guys. All right, we gotta make up some time. We're only here for about half an hour, but I've seen this car once before on the island. But that blue, jeez, I don't know if the person purposely kept the bumper like that because they left the emblem blue. Well, nonetheless, I love that Miami looking blue. See, I don't know how I feel about these wings, guys. Like a 4-post, I think it matches though. Now what do we have here? We just saw this thing getting wrapped last week and she's all done, guys. Wide body C7 Vet in this electrical orange color. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. Pink engine cover, pink top, pink accents, pink everything. I bet you the back is pink too. Oh yup, that's sick, man. Bro, how's this guy? He brought 2 cars to one show. How you like that?
You gotta do what you gotta do to win an award.
Alright bro, state your name, make, year, model, and 3 things you like about your car.
Okay, my name is Zane. This is a 1983 Toyota Corolla. What I like about it is that it's like not common you see on the road. It's reliable, believe it or not. I just like how nice and clean it is.
Sick. Is this the actual Wailua color?
Yeah.
Damn.
Blue is what they call it.
What is it called?
Voodoo blue.
Voodoo blue?
Yep.
With a, look at that, wide body kit as well, guys. Damn, I've seen this car rolling around in my neighborhood how many times, and I finally get to see it up close in person. Even with the surf racks, with the ducktail, wide body. Man, this thing is sick. Clean S2K. Something about silver, guys. No matter what year, make, model, whatever it is, just silver just hits a lot different. I never realized how deep Jeeps run, but we got a bunch of Jeeps out here, guys. But what catches it, like what catches my eye though, is this bad boy over here. Yo, let's check out all of the Z's, all the Z fam. Whoa, what's up, Bule? Where's your car at?
Went down.
Take me to your car. Take me to your car then.
Huh?
Take me to your car. VQ running deep, bro. But I wish I could have brought the Z out. Huh? Broken right now. It's not worthy. It's not. My GTR's over there.
Oh.
Yeah. No. I gotta leave soon. I gotta go to work soon.
Oh.
Yeah. Sick. Oh, this is finally out of the shop. Very sick. Ooh, Fitment. Yo. What? Are you serious? Oh, you are? What's up, Bule? Oh, that's sick too.
This is the guy that wrapped my car.
Oh,
Some slaves for now.
this is sick. All right, let's do a quick bit. I'm gonna need name, year, make, model, and 3 things you love about your car.
Okay. Bronson Vero, the 2018 Infiniti Q50. 3 things I like about my car.
Yeah.
The Q. I always wanted a Q even when I had my 370. The wrap, I like it because it's a little different. You know, like I like to be different. I like to stand out a little bit. And I don't know. I like sedans. You know, different from a coupe. You know, more space.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just more room for everything. So.
This is sick, man. Oh, and he got some SSR wheels too.
More stuff to come.
Bags next. Yeah. Damn, Bule. Oh, what's up, Daddy?
Oh, you know.
Oh, hey. Oh, new shirt. What's up? I know. How you been, Daddy? How's being a dad now? Huh? Bro, this guy wants me to sign his car, kid. Hold on.
I mean, I'm a painter.
Where am I signing it?
I mean, wherever you want, Big Daddy.
Yes, sir. YouTube, last GTC. All right, we got 3 more cars that I really want to showcase just because I love the fact that these are super clean, literally cleaned out interior. Like, oh my gosh, bro. Beautiful hatch. I'm really starting to like the new BRZs, 8.6, whatever you want to call them. But this body style to me is the nicest because there's just a lot more curves to it. All right, one more because this XB. Dude, look at that. You can literally see your reflection in these wheels, bro. I think this is my favorite car today. And of course, as we head to work, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's raining again. Unfreaking believable, guys. We can never ever win. What the heck? I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but honestly, I'm just utterly... Why? Like, why? All right, we're ending today's vlog while I'm walking my doggo, Nanook. Say hi. Hello. He sees a cat down the road. You want to say hi to the vlog? No? Okay, never mind. Yeah. For the short stint that we were there at the car show, it was cool, you know, just to say what's up to all of you guys that was there. For those of you guys, it's just so cool to see or meet more people that actually watch the vlog, and meeting you guys in person. I just find it super cool, and it kind of motivates me in the same way where I want to be able to make more videos for you guys, so you guys know who you are. But it was just cool meeting up with all you guys. It looked like a good turnout just by seeing all the photos and all the videos from social media. But I really wish I was able to go, but your boy had to go to work. You know, I can't do everything, but we're trying to make strides to be able to do everything automotive and not miss a single thing. But yeah, for those of you guys that's watching today's video, I'm saying this right now. The next time there's another, I think it's called, I can't even remember the name of the event, but I know it's hosted by the Ohana Motorsports Foundation. The next time they have an event, like a huge night meet where there'll be a whole bunch of people and a huge meet, and you know, just to get everybody together, I'm putting this on video now. The next time we have one, and you guys are gonna keep me accountable to this, we are gonna go, and I'll make sure we go, and I'll make sure I request off for work. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And so today's, well, technically it's already almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so it's already Sunday, which is Father's Day. So for those of you guys that watch the vlog, if you guys are fathers, happy Father's Day. And yeah, and again, follow Definitive Instagram. Here's another shirt, by the way. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and most importantly, stay driven.